That's a that's the jam drip drip. Is that the drip drip jam? Morning, folks. God bless you, Sean. So, woke up, had a great morning. Was trying to get somebody to the doctor to get his ears cleaned this morning. We missed our appointment, and in 10 minutes, 7 folks was able to jump in front of us. But I was like, the way life works, I'm gonna have to reschedule for y'all with y'all on next week because we ain't got time for all that. It is us, little drummer boy. So we are on our way back on to the other side to get to school. To get to school, escuela. Sean, we might make our class. Ah, yay! So I thought I was gonna have to just do my own routine at the gym because of his doctor's appointment. But by the way time is looking, if we can cut this corner and get this boy to school, I can get my butt to my class this morning. Granted, I had my encouragement. I had already had my mindset that I was going to do it myself this morning. But the class always helps. It's just encouragement and motivation, disciplines, and you can go at your own skill set. So I love it. I love it. I love it. And I thought I had already had my routine down in my head, but yay! Yes, you are, honey. But that's why we have a note.
What time is it?
It is like 9:10.
Okay. So
Well, it's not 9:10. It's 9:05, actually. Yes, honey. What time is it? It's 9:05, son. Yep, 9:05 again. He said again. Okay. So, we are on the move, on the groove, got things to do. Hallelujah. You like my rhymes? I know. So fresh. What up, everybody? In the gym. Just finished up. Bomb workout, bro. Bomb workout. So a sister forgot her towel and her hair towel in my shower cap. I had this cute little outfit picked out and everything, but who can't get in the shower with their hair like this is me. So when it's straight, I have to wrap it with a microfiber towel and a shower cap. But because I forgot it, my bad, y'all. Because I forgot it, I am not gonna be able to get up in the shower. But we gonna go with it. We gonna wipe the sweat off. We gonna keep it nice and sporty up in here, and take the 10 minutes that I would jump in the shower and stuff like that to get some work and editing done on this phone. I'm going to put this 10-minute timer on, get this editing done, go get baby boy and move on. Let's see here. You got to keep it moving, guys. You got to keep it moving at all times. You got to keep it moving. Okay. Take advantage of every little opportunity and situation. Am I a little frustrated? Yes. Because, listen, Linda, I had a plan. Everything packed, everything there, everything ready. I was in emotions. Heck, I was headed to the shower and then realized, wait a minute, Linda, this hair. We cannot get in the water with this hair because it's going to draw up and it's not time for it to do that right now. Ooh, I need to put some coat.
look, guys! Look who I see here at that dance. Sean.
Come here. Hey, Shani. Hey.
Got your shades on?
Shani. What up, Shani? You just hold it. Say hi to the camera, Grandma.
Oh. Hi, Grandma.
Ha. But yeah, you can. Well, I'm moving right now, so you might not be able to just sit the tripod up.
Yes, it's cute.
Y'all say what up to Grams.
And then when you're making a video, you won't have to hold it. You can be in most of them.
Right.
You have most of the kids in.
Or you just hold it like this when you're moving around.
Mm-hmm.
You can just hold it like this, and you're holding the camera to yourself.
Okay.
Very functional and easy.
Sure is.
Y'all don't judge us. Look. We going up the way to help Grandma with with her stuff, but we got to go to the front of the complex and hold that, Grandma. And you make it work. That's all I got to say is you make it happen.
Okay, turn it on.
Okay, so I'm frustrated and overwhelmed because my son, who's now nursing, is just got to throwing a massive fit when all I needed to do was go to the bathroom and pick something to eat. And I have 1,017 projects going through my head, and I have not been able to touch base on any of them. Yes, I've gotten things done and handled some responsibilities today, but that doesn't change the fact that I'm just going to stop, sit here, take a deep breath, get him to calm down and get him on a better level so I can be on a better level, because who's frustrated right now is me, very much so. And there's already been hiccups in the day. It's okay. And I feel gross because I haven't been able to shower. You guys know I forgot my clothes at the I forgot my hair, my towel, my hair thing or whatever to take a shower. So I have not been able to take a shower yet. I stink, but I had to go take care of what I was taking care of while I was out and about. And now that I'm home, trying to get things done before, and that took longer than expected. Yeah, I mean, it was still positive results, but it still took a bit longer than I would have liked it to or needed it to, because now I'm trying to figure out what exactly I can get done before I go pick up the kids, which is probably nothing at this moment. But it is Friday, so the kids get to play phone and video games and stuff like that. So that's where their focus will be when they get home. Not so much on mommy and what mommy can do for them. They'll be trying to do for themselves. So that should free up mommy some time to get some balance, get her head together. And then this guy should probably be napping and all that good stuff here any second. Would you please let go of my bowl? Thank you. And I was able to throw this little bowl of food in the microwave. So my battle is right now, do I fold laundry or do I do something that I really, really actually want to be doing? Which is like a better project than folding laundry. Something a lot better than folding laundry. And then I was supposed to be doing my whitening all this week. Have not done one whitening this week. I'm tired of, yes it is. I'm tired of pushing out this dentist appointment because I haven't done my whitening. Let me turn this off. Work done until after I do my whitening. So a little frustrated about that. I might just try to do double because I eat so much. I eat so often. I'm constantly eating because that's how I keep my energy, my metabolism up, by constantly eating something. And of course, when you do your whitening, you can't eat with the little strips in your mouth, the whitening things in your mouth. So I've been forgetting to put my timers on for that all week. So just, little petty stuff that's building up, causing a little frustration and overwhelm, but woosah and move on. Just keep moving. Don't stop. Don't stop. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving. Don't think about nothing. Just be where you are right now and keep it moving. Can I have other side? Yeah. Yes, you can have other side. I'm sweet boy. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. You ready to take a nap? Yeah. It's okay to take a nap. Not that big old fit you was throwing. You finished throwing crazy fits? No. You gonna do it again? Okay. I hope you don't. I'd appreciate it if you didn't. Okay? Okay. Oh, say excuse me. Nope, say excuse me. Y'all see what the kind of stuff I gotta deal with? Look at this boy. Look what I gotta deal with. Son, are you supposed to be having a whole bounce toy on the couch, sitting on it right now? Child. And he just calmly bounced up, flipped the toy from up under him, and bounced on the couch, and was like, "Okay, mom, moving on." What else? What else you talking about? Ugh. I need to go take this power nap. I'm low-key not tired no more and don't want to like get tired. I think if I start doing some tasks, then I won't be so tired. So how about I just cook everybody dinner? I don't know. I should take a shower. What? Nope. I need to figure out what time. What's his name gonna be home? I want some cucumber water, but I ain't got no freaking cucumbers, and I'm not going to the store. Okay, so picked the kids up from school, are back. My attitude is very different. I'm on the phone with my friend, my other friend, who is, I think, taking me out this evening. It's like, come on, let's change our mood and our attitude, which I was gonna make happen anyway. So, moving on. SJ Graham, I know there's more than one trash in this house that needed to be taken out. You need to push pause. Shit, I just woke up late. Normally he doesn't wake up even when I yell, but clearly that's not the case right now. And just like that, the mood has been altered again.